Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file withholding tax returns. First, ensure you understand your obligations as an employer regarding federal income, Social Security, and Medicare taxes. Next, we'll identify the specific forms required for reporting these withholdings. Finally, we'll cover the critical deadlines you need to meet to avoid penalties and maintain compliance. Let's get started. When filing, you'll primarily use Form 941, the employer's quarterly federal tax return, to report income tax, Social Security, and Medicare taxes withheld from employee paychecks. Annually, you'll prepare Form W-2 for each employee, summarizing their wages and taxes withheld. Remember to have employees complete Form W-4 to determine the correct amount of tax to withhold from their pay. These forms are crucial. Meeting deadlines is key. You must deposit federal taxes electronically, usually through the Electronic Federal Tax Payment System, or EFTPS, either monthly or semi-weekly, depending on your tax liability. Form 941 is due by the last day of the month following the end of each quarter. For annual reporting, Forms W-2 and W-3 must be submitted to the Social Security Administration by January 31. Plan ahead to avoid late fees. To avoid common errors, always double-check all your calculations and entries before submitting any forms. Maintaining accurate and organized records for at least 3 years is essential for potential audits or inquiries. If you have complex situations or specific questions, consult official IRS publications or a qualified tax professional. Staying informed and diligent will help ensure your withholding tax returns are filed correctly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.